Why does savings feel hard? People work through days, weeks, and months, earn money, but before the end of the month, they can't even show anything they did with their money. Most people believe they just don't earn enough. That's not the real problem. The real problem is this: your money has no structure. So everything feels urgent. Everything feels necessary. And savings feels impossible because you have not imbibed the culture of savings. But once money has direction, saving becomes easier. Not bigger income, better control. With better control, you start